right, the next important clue about decision making, and that's a very important insight, is learn to separate between facts and perceptions. Now, perceptions can be had based on falsehood. Facts are the reality of the moment. But guess what? Perceptions can be a lot more powerful than the facts because they come from the past and our mind already adopted the perception. And if we're not careful, that perception will swallow the reality. It will literally gobble it up. Be careful with that one. A lot of wrong decisions are made these days because of wrong perceptions. And people become adversarial to each other for no good reason because of wrong perceptions. So, when you think, when you make decisions, always make sure that you are thorough enough to know what is facts and what is perception. And usually, you'll find that your perception can cloud the facts. And what your perception is how you already think about it, which may be wrong. Now, the ability to think that you're wrong is a great, great asset in decision making because it takes some humbleness. And humbleness, my friends, here's words you may have never thought about or never heard about. But humbleness is your ticket to the big picture. And that's what you want in decision making. This is a very sound advice for you. Go for it. You will be successful.